the shade of the old oak tree. Little wings learn to break free, feathers ruffled by the breeze. A push, a pause, then the sky agrees. Fly, my fledgling, take the air. The nest is empty, but I'll care for every gust, for every glide. I'll cheer you on from the mountainside. Sailboats rocking in the bay, tethered tight but not to stay. The sea is wide, the waves will call. Stepping back is the hardest of all. Let the ropes untie, let the wind decide. The heart may ache, but the tide won't lie. Fly, my fledgling, take the air. The nest is empty, but I'll care for every gust, for every glide. I'll cheer you on from the mountainside. A lesson learned, a story told. To hold too tight is to lose your hold. Love's not chains, it's open hands. It grows in ways no map can plan. Fly, my fledgling, take the air. The nest is empty, but I'll care for every gust, for every glide. I'll cheer you on from the mountainside. I'll cheer you on from the mountainside. Little wings, they flutter fast. Summer days, they never last. Mama bird, she built a nest so high. Now it's time for them to fly. Fly away, little bird. Hear my silent whispered word. Let go, it's time to roam. Find your own way, find your own home. Tiny boats in a sheltered bay, dreaming of the open day. harbor walls, they hold them tight. Soon they'll sail into the light. Sail away, little boat. On the ocean, currents float. Let go, the winds will blow. Watch your own true spirit grow. Empty nest, a quiet space, a bittersweet and gentle grace, lessons learned in wisdom deep, secrets that the heart will keep. Fly away.